Hi everyone. I'm here today to bring you a breathing practice that I think can help with either calming the mind or refocusing the mind, and maybe a little bit of both. It's called square breathing or box breathing. And this type of breathing can be done really anywhere at any point in time. It can be done with someone or without someone, and I think as long as you can find some kind of comfortable place where you can sit, or you can even do it laying down, then you'll be all set for this practice. So it'll start with an even breath, okay? Square breathing is based on ratio breathing. So what I mean by that is you will either have a 1-to-1 count breath, so an even inhale and an even exhale. But for square breathing, we take it one step further and we add a space in between the inhale and the exhale. And the purpose of that is to create more length and more control over the breath. So if we start with a 1-to-1 ratio breath, and even inhale and even exhale, that's also a breathing practice called Sama Vritti. Sama Vritti, even breath or even mind. And this could be done in counts of 2, 3, 4, however long you really want to breathe for. So for example, you could breathe in through your nose for 3 counts, and then out through your nose for 3 counts. So that's an even 1-to-1 ratio breath. Now, square breathing, like I said, takes it one step further and you add spaces at the top of the inhale, so when you really can't breathe any more in, and at the bottom of the exhale when you can't breathe any further out. Okay, so I'll just give you a little example before we start. So we would start with that even ratio breath, 1-to-1. So we'll breathe in for 3 counts and out for 3 counts. In for 3, out for 3. And then we'll add in, inhale for 3, we'll hold the breath, so here's that box shape, hold the breath for 3 counts, and then exhale for 3 counts. Then we'll hold the breath for 3 counts, and then inhale for 3 counts. So hold at the top, and exhale, hold at the bottom, and then you inhale. So you create this box shape, this even 1-to-1-to-1-to-1 ratio breath, okay? You can start with 2 counts if 3 just doesn't seem like a good match for you, and I would suggest starting with 2 if you are feeling particularly anxious when you do this practice. So find a comfortable seat. You can either be sitting, like I said, or laying down. It doesn't matter where you're sitting, just as long as you're comfortable, and you can relax your upper body. And once you're in that seat, once you're in that comfortable place, either close your eyes or focus out on one point in front of you so you can find what's called a drishti, or a focal point that will help you with this breath and this concentration. So we'll start with Sama Vritti. And it's helpful to breathe in and out through your nose. So breathe in through your nose for count of 3, 2, 1. Breathe out through your nose, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in for 3, 2, 1. Breathe out for 3, 2, 1. Breathe in for 3, 2, 1. Breathe out for 3, 2, 1. We'll start full square breathing. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath for 3, 2, 1. Now exhale for 3, 2, 1. And hold the breath for 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Stay at that pace. Holding. Exhaling. Be gentle with the breath. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. Now, if you feel like you can go to 4 counts, then choose to breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, breathe out for 4 counts, and then hold for 4 counts. And with practice and with time, you could do this for even 5 counts or 6 counts. But take your time with it. If you'd like to take a few more rounds, go ahead and work your way there. To end this breathing practice, come back to a Sama Vritti 1-to-1 ratio breath where you take out the space, but as you breathe in and as you breathe out, notice the natural space that you create. You can release some of the tension, some of the grip and the hold on the breath, and then ultimately on your thoughts and the way that you feel. I hope this practice was helpful for you. And if you have any questions, please let me know.